Hi everyone, I'm Marshall Carper, and welcome back to another episode of Marketing Monday. So in my work, because I run a marketing agency, I get to jump in and out of a lot of different businesses, and that means I also get to interact with a variety of internal marketing teams. So there's a lot of advantages to having an internal marketing team, but one of the things I see happen very often is an internal marketing team gets to be pretty tired, they're stretched pretty thin, they're not only at maximum capacity, they're pushed over capacity. A lot of times, team members aren't necessarily working on their strengths. A lot of times they're doing other side tasks and projects that are a little bit beyond the scope of their expertise, but they're semi-competent at doing. As you start to add these variables up, you start to run into a lot of missed opportunities because that internal marketing team is not really in a position to do what it does best and to function at a high level like it should be able to. So when you start to look at your marketing, make sure you're checking back with your marketing team to see what they're capable of executing, to see what they have the capacity to execute. And then don't be afraid to support that marketing team with additional resources. Maybe you outsource some tasks, maybe you bring in another hire. Because if you're not paying attention to that marketing team's ability, that marketing team's their availability on top of their ability, your best marketing campaign can start to flounder because your team just doesn't have what they need to succeed in those situations. So make sure you're paying attention to that and don't be afraid to add together and add in other expertise from outside sources to really make the most of what your internal team is doing, because then you can really tap into some cool opportunities. Otherwise, the gas in the tank is not going to go any farther. Your engine is not going to get any bigger if you keep working with the same pieces, and a lot of times it'll start to break down. So check in with your internal marketing team, see what they need, have some honest conversations, and figure out ways that you can support them to help them perform even better. Maybe that's outsourcing, maybe that's a new hire, but if you're not making that consideration, you're probably missing out on chances to grow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.